Hi friends, this is Miss Molly. Miss Molly just wants to help you today and she wants you to watch her play with some of her favorite toys. So, here's a box of Molly's favorite toys. Alright, we're gonna dump them out and she's gonna just play. Just like how you guys like to play with your favorite toys. She's gonna roll the ball. She's gonna pick up her little rattle. Whew, now Molly is all tired and she is ready to just go take a nap or maybe play with something else. But first, what we need to do when we're all done is we need to clean up. Now, I made a visual for some of my friends that need that visual prompting. Sometimes we can just tell them, hey, it's time to clean up. All right. So one by one, we can put all of our toys back into our little toy box. And Molly's gonna make such good choices and she's gonna help clean up the mess that she made. So we put in, and our last toy we put in. And now we are all done cleaning up. Oh, now Molly turns around and she sees some friends behind her who are sharing with their toys and they each have a ball. Now sometimes it's nice to share with our friends. That is a good choice to share with our friends. So Molly sees them with their ball. So Molly's just gonna grab a ball of her own and we're gonna come and sit with our friends and we're gonna make some good choices and we're gonna share. And we're gonna take turns and we're just gonna take turns with all of our friends because it is a good choice to share. Goodbye, friends.